This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, July 2nd. Yesterday, we did see some new record highs in the S&P 500. Today, a little pressure developing as some of the excitement about the apparent progress in the U.S.-China trade talks wears off a bit. Seems, though, that traders are focusing more on the interest rate influence and not quite as much overall on the trade situation. Normally, you would think that these trade issues would be very negative, and they have been without a doubt. But it appears that the interest rate influence is dominating now. Why else would stock index futures be so strong currently? Moving over to the currency markets, seeing the dollar index a little bit lower. Most other currencies trading higher. Some gains in the euro currency linked to an anonymous source indicating that the ECB is likely to not cut rates at the July 25th meeting. So this somewhat supportive to the euro. Also, we had the Reserve Bank of Australia cutting rates by a generally expected rate of 25 basis points down to 1%. So no surprise there. In fact, the Australian dollar trading a little bit higher with that news. Interest rate markets, good gains today after some pressure yesterday. Still looks like the Fed is on track to lower interest rates by 25 basis points at the upcoming July 31st meeting. Could be some additional rate cuts later this year. Also, it looks like the flight to quality vehicles, for the most part, gaining today. That would include the interest rate futures markets, the gold market, all of the interest rate futures markets. So I would trade those from the long side. And they're not just higher because of a flight to quality influence. These markets are also being supported by lower interest rates that are likely to continue for quite some time. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.